amazing dish in Odia cuisine. It's made up of the yummy roasted cheese. This recipe is one of the best source of calcium because it can meet 8% of your daily calcium level. Most important thing is that this dish is made up of cottage cheese, which is more and more healthier. This consists of 83 gram of protein in 100 grams of it. This cottage cheese is highly blood sugar friendly and rich in vitamin D. You must definitely try that. Oh my god, it's so much amazing and delicious dessert.
Now moving on to West Bengal. Let's talk about chorchori. It's a mixed vegetable curry of West Bengal. Chorchori, a traditional dish in Bengali cuisine, an excellent recipe for health conscious people as it is a low calorie food and provide essential nutrients to their body. It's good for many stomach ailments and diabetics. The green leafy vegetable amaranth is a good source of vitamins and minerals. This leafy vegetable provides all the health benefit requirement including dietary minerals like calcium, magnesium and iron. Surse Ilish Match. This delectable fish recipe is one of the authentic Bengali fish recipes, flavored with variety of spices. Ilish Match is sure to be winner of your dinner table when served with rice. The key ingredients are elsa fish, mustard seed, poppy seeds, ginger paste, tomato, pachyparon, red chili powder and turmeric powder make it as a healthy dish.
Now let's talk about litti chokha from Bihar. The sattu powder used to make litti has amazing cooling properties and keeps you energized throughout the day. Chokha is made with grilled eggplant, which is a brilliant source of dietary fiber, vitamins, manganese, folate, and phytonutrients. Eating litti chokha helps in controlling hormone disorder in insulin-resistant patients. It also helps in controlling the sugar levels. Moving on to the next dish, Suran chutney. It is a dish loaded with protein, minerals, and antioxidants. The elephant yam or jimmy is an amazing healthy food. It is tasty and can be cooked in various different ways. It is also safe for diabetic patients because of its low glycemic index. Rich in omega-3 fatty acid that helps to reduce the bad cholesterol. It also aids in digestion and bowel movements, and it is also believed to have anti-aging properties.
Kerala. The dish is appam. Appam is an ancient and traditional South Indian recipe, mainly seen in Kerala, Tamil Nadu and also Sri Lanka. It is a South Indian pancake dish made with fermented rice, batter and also coconut milk. Appam is suitable for health as it contains useful nutrients and proteins. It is very low in calories, so it helps in keeping obesity away and maintains a very good health. Appam also lowers the cholesterol levels and also helps to avoid the heart diseases and other disorders. It also reduces the deposition of cholesterol and fat from the body, which reduces the chances of heart stroke. It boosts your immunity and also the overall health. It is beneficial in gastric problems, acidity and also constipation. The dish is puttu and kadla. Puttu is a nutritious and healthiest breakfast with an impressive nutrient profile and health benefits. It is made up of steam cylinders of ground rice, flour layered with a generous amount of coconut shavings. Puttu is a great source of carbs that helps to replenish the energy levels instantly. It is also a gluten-free grain and also suits best for people with IBS. As it is high on the glycemic index, rice flour can be tweaked with ragi, wheat or other millet flour, making it the most suitable for diabetics, heart patients and also those who want to shed excessive kilos. Fresh coconut is a great source of healthy medium chain triglyceride that promote the weight loss, which while being high on dietary fiber and lauric acid content, coconut improves the digestion process and also the cholesterol levels.
Myself Neeraja. I am pursuing my first year degree and I am from Amravati, Andhra Pradesh. There are many dishes in Andhra Pradesh is famous for and one of them are Andhra Thali. Andhra Pradesh is known as the rice bowl of India. The cuisine has a lot of seafood. There are many vegetarian dishes also. Andhra Thali is one of the healthy dish of the state. Is made up of white steamed rice, lemon rice, plain dal, coconut chutney, pickle, curd, lassi and a number of vegetable curries. Andhra is very famous for its dum biryani also. The second main dish of Andhra Pradesh is pulihora, also known as puliyogre, pulinjore, kukum rice or simply tamarind rice. is a very common and traditional rice preparation in South Indian states of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. Puli means tangy or sour in South Indian languages, referring to the characterizing use of kokum or tamarind as one of the main ingredients. Pulihora is prepared with kokum, tamarind, lemon or green mango as main souring ingredient, along with blend of spices, lentils, peanuts and jaggery cooked in oil and mixed with cooked rice along with fried curry leaves. It remains fresh till 2 days. So many South Indian travelers carry the prepared tamarind rice at the time of long journeys. Pulihora Gujju or Pulihora Podi is often pre-made at homes in southern India and stored for months. It is mixed with cooked rice in a pan to make pulihora instantly. Pulihora is usually cooked on special occasions and festive days. It is presented to God as part of prayers known as prasadam in most of the South Indian temples as well as South Indian homes. In temples, devotees queue to get it after darshana.
Good evening, everyone. Dietitian Rubal this side, and now I'm going to explain about the dish kufli. The dish kufli is especially mentioned as of dish of Uttarakhand. It also known as the dish of Gharwali. Kufli is a thick gravy preparation made up of green leafy vegetables. Kufli made up of spinach leaves or fenugreek leaves. The most common preparation. The main ingredient of kufli is spinach, which is low in fat and even lower in fat. Also, even lower in cholesterol. Spinach, uh, spinach is high in niacin and zinc uh, as well as protein, fiber, and it also contains vitamin A, C, E, and D. And K, sorry, and other minerals. Kufli is a Ghawari dish often served with rice roti. You can have it with rice or roti. It is perfect for health consequence and diabetic people as it is rich in protein, vitamin, iron, and vitamins. And dark leafy spinach are good for skin, hair, and bone also. It provides iron, vitamin, and minerals. Fenugreek leaves are good for diabetes treatments. It also treats constipation and good for hair. Thank you.